it's tomato, 100% juice, okay? Or if you have a juicer at home, and I have tried it, it tastes much better. Like now, there's a lot of tomatoes. You juice them. You make the tomatoes into juice. So instead of using tomatoes, this one, you can use that one. It tastes much better than this one. Okay. Now, this is really so easy. So you put this one here.
How much is this?
This is 48 ounces. Okay? Now, 3 teaspoons onion powder. I put them all here. Okay? 3 teaspoons onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon basil, I did not put salt anymore. Okay? You know why? Because this was salt already. Okay? And then, hirbamir. Hirbamir, actually it's just a mixture of, different herbs. You can finish 4 ounces. What? 48 plus 48? Which pairs very well. You know the cheese that I have?
Oh, the cashew cheese.
Yeah, the cashew cheese. You spread that. You put also the butter in it. And then you buy those round bread over at Apple Valley. It is very delicious. Okay. I actually have prepared this for two of these cans. Okay? Now, you put all of them. That is 3 teaspoons onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon basil, 1/4 teaspoon hirbamir. Okay? Now, you can either use agave.
Is that a good thing to use?
This is good thing to use, and this is sweeter. And you can also use honey if you don't have this. But it tastes better with agave. Okay? Now, I am going to put 6 tablespoons of this, okay?
Okay.
6 tablespoons. 1. What is the agave for?
Sweet.
Okay, because this is too
Sour.
sour. Okay? Now, somebody can put this up. Okay. 1 cup cashews. But since we're doing a double recipe, this is 2 cups of cashews. And then 2 cups of water. Now, we are going to spin this one. That's it. You have soup already. Let me share with you what the trick is. When that thing boils, the one that we have here, when that boils, okay, you remove it and then you pour this one. Okay? Because if you pour this one and it's on top fire, you pour this one, it's gonna burn it. So just remove it and then pour this one, mix it together. It is very delicious.